Yes, Master and Crew back once again with another video. So I've got my Akai, I've got my Emu sampler here now, and I really don't know where to put it. It's just mad. Like, I'm looking at all my rack and stuff, and I'm just saying, boy, I've got like a tape deck here. I might take that out. Look at this. There's just no room, man. It's room. I just need a massive room, man, for all this kit, man. It's just like, you know. Anyway, it's not about what you want. It's about making use of what you've got. So let's see. I'm probably going to take out this slot here somehow, but if I take this out, then that means this can't connect. This Easy Drive cannot connect to my Akai anymore. So I'm probably going to have to lose some tech, man. Maybe that tape deck's got to go. Maybe that effects unit down the bottom's got to go. Maybe the BB Sonic Maximizer, which I don't use. Going to have to simplify this kit, people. What a task. In the meantime, I could just plops it on the top here, just for now. Could be a way forward. I might just do that just to get myself out of trouble. What do you reckon, peeps? Let me know. I actually used this machine to archive all of my old discs down there, and all over the place. You know, I'm converting them all to HXC format, so I can use it on this little, on a USB stick on this little emulator thing in my Akai, and then I'll be able to organize my discs. I'll be able to search for songs real quick, and then hopefully at that point, once that's all done, you'll start seeing more of the unfinished releases and more undiscovered releases that I did back in the day on Brain Records. Anyway, peeps, 11:28 PM, got work in the morning. I'm out. Busy Bee signing off. For those you don't know, like my little dog Lulu, she's suffering from a little bit of a tumour now. She's got to have an operation to get rid of it. We've tried anti-inflammatory, she perks up with that, but the tumour doesn't go down, and they think it's cancerous. So, you know, she's 10 years old, life expectancy 13 years for a Cavalier King Charles. Beautiful little dog. She's happy as Larry right now. She's gone deaf with some antibiotics and that from previous treatments that she's had. She had a bit of eye trouble. Poor thing. So guys, as you can see, she spends most of her day sleeping. You know, she's deaf as they come. Look, Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. Hey, Bubba. All right, you can see she's just completely deaf, man. Poor thing. And underneath her neck has got this tumour. It's like a lump here, and it really does, you know, give her some pain. So, you know, I hope all goes well with her when we go see the vet. We've got an appointment booked to see she's got a CT scan booked for next week, next couple of weeks. So, you know, my kids now are 18 and 17. You know, she was a birthday present to my kids when they were about like 7, you know, 5 and 7, like. And, you know, she's grown up with the kids, man. So she's like a part of the family, man. I'm just hoping that she makes it through and lives a little bit longer, because, you know, it's really nice having her around and stuff. It's mad when pets go, man, because they all become part of the family. And, you know, the kids get upset, and the missus is going to be upset. And it's, you know, I'm going to be upset as well. I remember last time my Rizzler died, man. It was a pretty sad time for us. So, you know, we're living in the moment. We're living in today. We're only worrying about today's problems. Everything's fine today. She's okay. She's sleeping there. You know, and we take life one day at a time, people. You know what I mean? There's always someone out there suffering more than you. And, you know, that's life, isn't it? It's life. So, take it, God bless, peace. I'm a everyday journalist.